Hey everybody, it's tech lifestyle expert Carley Knobloch. Staying connected is more important than ever these days. I partnered with some great brands here that are going to make family life a little bit smarter, a lot more fun, and definitely more high tech. Starting with those families that are taking tons of photos and videos, this is the camera that's best for capturing it all. It's the GoPro Hero 9 Black. It's got a front-facing display that's perfect for selfies, making sure that everyone's in the shot too, even mom. My favorite feature though is the hindsight tool that lets you capture 30 seconds of video before you hit record. It's kind of magical, basically means you're never going to miss a special moment. And then you can use the GoPro Quick app to easily upload, organize, and share everything to social media. Now, this is a really cost-effective way to print everything your family needs. It's the Epson EcoTank ET4760 all-in-one, cartridge-free super tank printer. Up to 2 years of ink is in the box. That means you're going to print thousands of pages before you run out. Plus, it's wireless and voice activated, so it's easy to print recipes and schedules and homework from any device. And then when it is time to replace your ink, you save up to 90% with low-cost bottles instead of those pricey ink cartridges. Now, if you're out and around and on the go, you want to check out the Echo Frames. They're smart glasses with open ear audio designed to really help you save time so you can focus on what's important. When you're wearing them, you can hear phone notifications or ask Alexa to listen to podcasts, music, or audiobooks. You can also make calls, add to your to-do list, control your smart home, set reminders, and all while completely hands-free. Plus, they're really comfy and lightweight, so you can wear them all day, and they come in 3 beautiful colors. Now, for teachers or students alike working from home, this is the One by Wacom tablet. It's a pen tablet that's Mac, PC, and now Chromebook compatible, allowing you to draw just like you do on a digital whiteboard at school, but from home. It works with Chromebook certified, so it's easy to connect and use natural handwriting for note-taking, solving math problems, drawing diagrams, making it easy really to collaborate and share information just like you would in the classroom. And then lastly, if mom loves podcasts or listening to books on tape or just rocking out to streaming music like I do, she's definitely going to want to know about GE's LED Plus speaker bulbs, because now the audio speaker is built directly into a light bulb. Installation is as easy as, you guessed it, screwing in a light bulb and then connecting via Bluetooth. And you can sync up to 10 bulbs in your home to create a wire-free, high-quality surround sound system.
For more on these stories, just head on over to killerapps.tv.